In this video I'm going to talk to you about Traffic Exchange. Now, what is Traffic Exchange? On Wikipedia, Traffic Exchange is defined as a type of website which provides a service for webmasters in exchange for traffic. It is similar to the AutoServe concept, with the exception that traffic exchanges usually use a manual rotation. How does it work? You submit your website details on a Traffic Exchange website. You get one or both of the following options to visit the websites of other members to earn credits. Firstly, you manually serve the sites of other members and you earn credits. And secondly, you get notification via email to click on links to visit websites. Sites open, and as soon as the countdown of 15 to 25 seconds, or in some cases 30 seconds, is completed, you earn credits. Other members do the same, and you get views and therefore exposure to your sites. Now, what is the advantages of Traffic Exchange? Firstly, it's a low-cost promotion option for small businesses and small business owners or marketers. It's excellent to start off with and get initial exposure, and also continued exposure as you go on. Secondly, it provides increasing views to your site and improves trust on search engines, and you can manage or monitor it on your analytic reports on those search engines that provides the feature. It's an opportunity to view other sites similar to yours and get some ideas, and you get occasional sales and or sign-ups from these traffic exchanges depending on how active you are. The disadvantages of traffic exchanges: it is very time consuming, so you have to strike a balance here and focus on what matters. Secondly, it's a low conversion. It has a low conversion rate, so you need to do some research, find the best traffic exchange sites, make your offer attractive, let it stand out from the crowd, and remember always that paid is better. Thirdly, using traffic exchanges might lead to illegal links. When you make use of AdSense programs like Google AdSense, their terms and conditions, they advise you not to use AutoServe programs, which is auto traffic exchange. Fourthly, most members of traffic exchange programs only serve for credits and do not take the time to read your content. Then lastly, there is a danger of sites containing miscellaneous objects or software that can harm your computer and have a negative influence or impact on its performance. Are we using traffic exchange programs? Yes, we certainly do. Most important is to have a balance between surfing and focusing on what matters and what gives results. It's also important to make use of tracking to monitor the results on your traffic exchange programs or via your traffic exchange programs. At Investa, on our Advertise Your Business page, we have published the sites that we use with good results regarding traffic exchange. So you can visit that page, sign up for free at these sites, make use of tracking, see which ones works the best for you, and then you can later on decide if you want to stay free or become a paid member. I hope this helps. I thank you.